Financial literacy refers to the knowledge and understanding of financial concepts, skills, and tools that enable individuals to make informed and effective decisions regarding their personal finances. It involves being familiar with various aspects of finance, such as budgeting, saving, investing, borrowing, and managing risks. By developing financial literacy, individuals can improve their financial well-being and make informed choices about their money. Here are some key aspects of financial literacy. 1. Budgeting. 1. Financial literacy starts with creating and following a budget. It involves understanding your income, expenses, and savings goals, and allocating your money accordingly. Budgeting helps you track your spending, control your expenses, and save for future goals. 2. Saving and investing. Financial literacy encourages individuals to save and invest their money wisely. It involves understanding different saving options, such as bank accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, and retirement accounts, as well as investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Knowing the basics of investing and the associated risks helps individuals grow their wealth over time. 3. Debt management. Financial literacy includes understanding how borrowing works and managing debt responsibly. It involves knowledge about interest rates, credit scores, and the impact of debt on your financial health. Understanding concepts like compound interest and strategies for paying off debt can help individuals avoid excessive debt and maintain a good credit history. 4. Financial goal setting. Being financially literate means setting clear financial goals. It involves identifying short-term and long-term objectives, such as saving for emergencies, buying a house, funding education, or planning for retirement. Financially literate individuals create actionable plans to achieve their goals. 5. Risk management. Financial literacy includes understanding and managing financial risks. This involves knowledge about insurance, including health, life, home, and auto insurance, and the importance of having adequate coverage. Understanding risk and having appropriate insurance protection can help mitigate the impact of unexpected events. 6. Consumer awareness. Financially literate individuals are informed consumers. They understand their rights and responsibilities when making financial decisions and know how to avoid scams and fraudulent activities. Being aware of financial regulations and consumer protection laws helps individuals make sound choices and protect themselves from financial exploitation. 7. Economic concepts. Financial literacy also involves understanding basic economic concepts. This includes knowledge of inflation, interest rates, taxes, and how macroeconomic factors can impact personal finances. Understanding these concepts can help individuals make better financial decisions and adapt to changing economic conditions. Financial literacy is crucial for individuals of all ages and backgrounds. It empowers individuals to take control of their finances, make informed decisions, and achieve their financial goals. Governments, educational institutions, and various organizations must promote financial literacy through workshops, educational programs, and online resources to help individuals improve their financial knowledge and skills.